Okay. So we are going to discuss some project ideas and then we are going to create the DB and the tables for them. So first idea is, let's say you have a hospital, let's say you have a businessman who has multiple schools. Now he want an application to track fees management, right? Let it be a nursery school or anything. Every school we need to pay some money. Student has to pay, right? So we need an application where that businessman should be able to see how much fees we are yet to we are expected, how much fees is actually paid according to fees, according to the school wise. He should be able to track everything. So for this we need to create the tables. Okay. So one by one we will like Ajay and Akansha or Anisha, three people, Ajay, Akansha, and Anisha. Now you guys tell me like what tables you will need. Understood the business? You have a business owner who has multiple schools and he wants an application where he should be able to track the fees, right? How many tables do you think we might need it over here?
The first table that is student records.
So before student, each student will belong to a particular school, as we said, na? We will have multiple schools. So student will belong to a particular school.
Yes, sir.
So first we will need school table.
School table. Yes, sir.
School table. Okay. So in school table, we will have normal information like name, city, address, something like that. Basic information of the school. Next, what table we will need? Akansha, Anisha, Ajay. In this table, you have stored all the school data. Let's say he has three schools. So three school data you have inserted. What next?
Uh, then we have a student data.
Right. So we need student data. So student table we will need. In student table, let's say stud ID is your primary key, and in school table, school ID is your primary key. Do we need a foreign key in the student table?
Yes, sir.
Right?
School ID.
Because one student will belong to a particular school. One student will be in a particular school at a time, right? So
yes, sir.
School ID will be your foreign key. Then name, mobile number, parent contact number, something remaining information will be there. Okay.
Sir,
what
class
next?
is also there, right? Classes.
Yeah, class again. Yeah, columns we can have any number of columns.
Okay, sir.
Let's say current class. Okay. After this, what you will need?
Sir, fee record के लिए.
Right. Now, let's say this businessman schools are from nursery to the normal board school 1 to 10. Okay. Now, is my school fees will be common for all from nursery to board? Will it be common?
No, sir.
Right. For each, either the student is getting admission in nursery, fees will be different. For first standard, it will be different. For second, it might be different. So we need a table to capture it. What is the fees? Right.
Yes, sir.
So we will say how we will categorize it. We just need to store a master kind of data. For nursery, we have this. For first, we have this. Okay. So we will call it as a course phase. So here you will have course ID. Course ID is nothing but nursery, first standard, second standard, like that. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
standard name. So here we will put nursery or something and fees. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What else now?
Sir, role.
Let's say we will have multiple rows, but just fees tracking. Just keep it in your mind, fees tracking. Okay, what tables you will need, so that fees tracking should be there.
Sir, fees payment status.
See, we have created schools.
Yes, sir.
In this table, we are going to have three schools. This is the students table. Let's say a student came and we have to enter his data, and he is getting registered for a particular school. So that school ID is also there. Now we got school and the student. We
Yes,
got
sir.
course also. Now what? What else we need? Student is getting enrolled for what course, na?
Yes, sir.
Correct? So
Yes, sir.
enrollment.
In
So here enroll ID will be primary key. Then what do you need? Student ID, foreign key. What else you need? Course ID.
society.
Getting it?
Yes,
So
sir.
from this table, because one student will have multiple enrollment. Let's say student came, he was a child, he got admitted to nursery, then pre-nursery, whatever you have, then first, second. So in this table, you will be able to see, yeah, student got admitted from a nursery or first and whatnot. And here you get to know the fees. Okay. Even though fees we have it over here, but still I'm adding fees over here. Why do we need to replicate this? This is repetition, right? If we are adding course ID over here, so fees we should be able to get it from over here. But why I'm adding fees over here again in enrollment?
So fee structure for different classes.
But that we have adding over here, na? For nursery,
Oh.
this is that. For first standard, this is that fees. That we are going to store it over here. And my question is, why we are storing fees again in enrollment? Fees is already over here, na? But why I'm creating one more column over here in the enrollment table?
For registration.
Yeah. See, when we talk
Sir,
about
actually,
go ahead.
in course fee, we are defining fees for particular course, and in
Right.
enrollment, while enrolling for particular course, is that fees is paid by that particular student?
No,
So something like.
no. Think again. When you visit
Payment
any,
receipts.
huh? Come again.
Payment receipts table.
We will have a payment table where we will receive all the money based on the enrollment ID. It's a payment ID. Enrollment ID will be foreign key. Do we collect the fees on the student or the enrollment? Do we have to receive the fees? Right? Because enrollment, na? Based on the enrollment, you will get to know how much fees we have to receive from him. Correct? So we are, even though we are collecting from the student, but foreign key should be enrollment ID. Now with ours, with my batch also, some people have registered for Angular, some people have registered for full stack. So I'm not taking money from you. I'm taking for the enrollment what you have done. Correct? Okay. So now tell me, like in course we are already specifying fees, but why I'm again saying that fees we need to store it in the enrollment table also. Think from the business.
Sir, actually in course fees table, there are multiple courses. But
Right.
while enrolling, student can enroll for particular course
So
only.
that course ID we have here, na? If
So according to
foreign key is
that,
over, na? Foreign key is over, right? So you don't need to store this again. Correct?
Yes, sir.
yes,
Right?
sir.
So why?
Any
Now,
specific enrollment fee?
any specific? No, this is the same
Enrollment
fees only. Whatever the course fee is there, na, that same again I'm going to store it over here. It's not some extra fee. Whatever the course fee is there, na, that fees only I'm going to store it over here. Now consider a scenario, you are taking your child to get admitted to a particular school. Sometimes we negotiate, even if they say ki, yeah, for nursery it is around 50,000. Sometimes we negotiate, right? So we get sometime discount.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So
So
lump sum payment basis.
yeah, whatever. Let's say the parent is saying that I will pay in one time. Can you give me some discount? Even though course fee was 50,000, but since the parent was able to pay at one time, so we are saying ki, yeah, pay 45,000. So that 5,000 is discount. Getting it?
Yes, sir.
So we need to track everything. So when you create an application for a particular businessman or any project, right? So positive, negative, all the scenarios we have to keep it in mind when you design a database. Consider, let's say you didn't add this over here and client started using it, then he will let you know ki, Arey, For some student, we are giving discount. In your application, there is no way to add that. Correct? So that's why this is the, yeah, this was the original fee. But for this enrollment, for this particular student, what fees we have decided? Is it the same or we have given some discount? That's why I didn't add the discount column previously. Okay. Understood? So then
Yes, sir.
payment table. So based on the enrollment, we will receive the payment from the student. So let's say fees was 50,000. Okay. Some student will pay 10,000, then 15, like that. Multiple EMIs they will pay. So payment amount and date. Okay. So
The
with this
payment
table,
status.
yeah, payment status also. Let's say it is online, they need to verify also. Once they verify, then they will mark it as, yeah, verified. So with this number of table, will you be able to just manage basic flow of the fees management?
Yes, sir.
Ashish, we will be able to manage fees management with this number of table? Yeah, again, more table can be there.
Yeah, more table can be there. Yeah.
But
But
basic
yeah,
flow, we
basic,
need, right?
basic we can do.
Whole flow we can complete with this. Okay. So when you create the DB, when you create the database table, you have to think from a business perspective, ki how he will use it. Correct? Not every time, yeah, that once he start using it, then he will let you know, ki, yeah, we need this, we need that. It is rework, na? So you have to get your requirement clear before starting the design. Get it clear, ki what number of tables you are going to need, what flags, what columns you will get to need, right? Everything you need to put it. So let's say student table, you need to capture parent contact numbers. Again, guardian number also. Not every student lives with parents. Some lives with their relative also. Some lives by rent also. So we need to take the owner as a guardian. We need that contact also. Getting it? So when it is live, again, business owner, he won't be able to explain everything. But it's your job that you have to ask the question, ki, when you are registering a student, what information you normally store? You might be having a form which student might be filling. Give us that form. That is nothing but our student table data, right? Like this, we communicate and come up with a proper application. Clear? Anyone having any doubt with this?
For soft limit, can we add exactly in student table?
Sorry, come again.
For soft delete of a student, a particular
Yeah, here
student,
we can have
add
that flag
exact-
is delete, soft delete. Okay, fine. Shall we move to the next one? I won't be creating the table. We will just discuss this. You can go ahead and create the tables now. Okay. Next is the most famous one, e-commerce one. Now the idea is we have a business owner who manufacture, what do we say? Mm, let's say, what do we have? This induction cooker. Induction. The moment we got that cylinder shortage, induction started in trending, right? So let's say we have a business, let's say Bajaj or someone, and they have a manufacturing industry and they only manufacture one product, that is induction. And apart from induction, let's say induction and that water heater, what do we call it? That rod, right? Water heater rod. So you have a business owner who has a manufacturing industry and his factory produce only two products, induction and water heater rod. Or let's say water heater rod plus geyser also. Okay. These are the three products what he has. Now we want to create an e-commerce application for him. Okay. So he should be able to sell the application. Customer should be able to visit the website. Customer should be able to purchase from him. How many table you will need?
Users table.
Yeah, Aisha, Brijesh, Chintan, and Vaibhav. You four. How many tables we will need for this?
Inventory table.
Directly inventory.
Users.
Product table.
Products, na? Right? Now, when you talk about induction, so only one product will be there or there will be variations?
Model variation.
Variations will be there, different models will be there. So first, these are the categories, right? Even though for you it's a product, but these are category, right? Then in category induction, you will have multiple models. So those will be your actual product. So you will need category table. So you will have category ID. Then
Manufacturing data.
category name. Huh? No, this is a master table, no? We will just store this category. Okay. Then we will have products. Now in this particular product belongs to which category? So product ID will be your primary key, cat ID will be your foreign key. This particular product belongs to which category? Okay. Now model name, product name, right? Let's say you can have product name as induction 250 voltage, whatever, different, right? Let's say it might have an image, then voltage.
Brand name.
Brand name is nothing but it's one particular business, na? Right?
Okay.
We are creating a e-commerce application for a particular business only. So brand will be that only.
Model
Voltage
number.
and, right? So we can have no
Price.
see, when you talk about products in e-commerce application, you are not selling individual product. It's just a product. When you deliver it the particular item, then it will have that manufacturing number of something. But this data we are going to show onto the e-commerce application. So do we really need that particular number? No, no. It is just display. Yeah, these are the products we have. Once user add to cart, then order come to the back office, then some employee will pick particular induction. On that induction number, you will have it. But while adding the product, you don't need that. Okay. Voltage and price, some information of the product. So category you will create, then on the category you will create products also. What next?
Product review.
Product review it will be very last, na? After order.
Yeah.
Go with the sequence. Go with the sequence. You created first category because in product table you are going to need the category. Now you created product. What next?
Product dimension.
Orders.
Before
Cart.
order,
Cart.
cart, na?
Customers.
Before order you need customer. Before customer you need cart. Before cart you need customer, right? Because if the customer is not logged in, he won't be able to add to cart, correct?
Yes.
So dependent data first you need to create. You don't directly go with the order because in order you will need product ID, na? Okay. So first you will have customers. So here you will have cust ID, name, mobile, address, something basic information, email. You got customers. Let's say you from your e-commerce application, try to imagine an e-commerce application. Then only you will come up with some idea. So let's say you have an e-commerce application. There you are showing at the top you have category like induction, water heater, geyser. Once you click on induction, related products are coming. If you click on water heater, related products are coming. Then you want to purchase a particular induction or particular any particular voltage. So what you do, add to cart. But before add to cart, you need to log in. Before login, you will sign up, right? So you got the customer data. After that, cart, right?
Shopping
So customer cart. Okay. Here, cart ID will be your primary key. Then what you need it over here again?
Product.
Which
ID.
product you are adding, right? Product ID. What else?
order amount.
Price.
No, price we already have it over here. Na?
Customer ID.
Customer ID, I think.
Customer ID,
Image.
right?
Product image.
Image we already have, na? Why you will repeat yourself again? That's the benefit of foreign key. We got the product ID. So all the product data we can get it. Cart ID, your primary key. Product ID, which is the product. What customer is adding it? What else?
Category
Sir,
ID.
count.
Discounts.
Category ID is already over here now. We don't repeat ourselves.
Okay.
Discounts.
Discount you can, let's say we don't have any discount. Let's
Quantity.
not.
Or else
Quantity,
coupon
na?
apply something.
How many quantity?
Yeah.
Quantity, yeah, before discount and coupon, quantity is the major thing, na? Do you need one induction or two induction? Right?
Product details.
So, quantity. No, not product detail. Why you will repeat? Again, the same thing. Product details are already over here. That's why you added the product ID. So based on product ID foreign key, you can get the whole product detail. You don't need to store the whole thing again in the remaining table.
Okay.
Okay? Quantity.
Card
Right?
value.
Cart value as in what you will store over there.
Price like total amount.
Total
Here
cart
you-
amount.
In cart item, you will have multiple data for multiple customer, right? Quantity you know, product ID you have. By using the product ID, you get the image price. So price into quantity. So you don't need to store it again. Why you will store it? Getting it? That's
Yes,
the
sir,
purpose
yes.
of storing the data in multiple table. Okay. So while doing the calculation on the UI, in your get all cart item data, you will get the product name. You will write the join, na? You will get quantity and you will get the price. So in UI, you will calculate that. Item dot quantity is into item dot price. That you will show it over there. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Try to imagine that. Okay. So customer cart is there. What after this?
Orders.
Right? Finally order. Now here is a catch. Okay. Those who know, you don't have to say. Now in order, how do you store the data? What columns you will need in order table? Think properly. Okay. Consider Amazon or Flipkart while you have used. When you place an order, what happens? Order ID will be there.
Product,
Your primary key.
product list.
Quantity.
Product ID.
Product list. From where you will get the product list?
Mm,
Product list. Cart
Product.
only, na? This is what you have added. But can you, for one customer, there will be multiple. When you visit Amazon, do you order only one thing or multiple also you can order, right? So for one, while ordering, when you go to the checkout page, you get all the products, whatever you have added to the cart. So can we store multiple data in the same table? For one order,
Just
let's
need a
say
card
one,
item.
you need a different table. Getting it? Let's say you logged in, Michael logged into his website and he is buying induction and water heater. So he is ordering two products, na? So can we store two products in one table only? No, na?
No.
One too many. For one order, you have multiple products. So here you will just store order specific detail, order date, total amount. Let's say here we can have that discount or something or offer code or something. So only order related details will be there. No mention of product or something. Let's say
Status.
delivery address and status. Only order related thing. And status. Is it new? Is it delivered? It is in shipping or not? Now, one more table we will need where what products are actually ordered in this order. So order
History.
products, not history, no, just order product. What products are there in this particular order? So order product ID, this will be your primary key. Then order ID, this will be your foreign key from the order table. And here, whatever the data you have put it over here, order ID, product ID and quantity. Okay. This is the table structure what you need any e-commerce application. This is the very basic flow. Again, once the order is placed, again shipping and all the things will come into the picture. But yeah, this is what it is. Understood?
Sir, quantity we are getting from customer cart ID
See, when you
already.
let's say visit an e-commerce application, you also do the same thing. Those who are not getting now, log into Amazon, add 3 products. Okay. And when you place the order, next time you see na, that whatever the products you have added into the cart, those won't be there. So when you add to cart, let's say 3 products you have added to cart. And when you finally place the order, we delete the particular products, whatever we have added into the cart. There is no use of it, right? Because we have placed the order. So whatever the data, sorry, here we forgot customer ID. How you will know, na? If this order belongs to which customer? Okay. So when you create an order, you have the customer ID. So you find all the products from the cart where customer ID is that you store it over here. And once you store, then you delete the same also. So when you place an order, you get all the products which are there from this customer and you save it into the order product and then you remove it also. Because once the order is placed, your cart should get empty. Okay. Yeah, Brijesh.
Sir, can we say customer ID is a foreign key?
Yeah. Customer ID is a foreign key.
Okay.
This order belongs to which customer? How you will get to know? By storing the customer ID. Here, order product ID is a primary key. Order ID. This product of which order? So order ID. What is the product? Right? These are foreign keys. Understood? Okay. Anyone having any question with this project idea?
Like, we will be having wish
Aisha, why?
also, right?
No, your voice is very breaking, not able to understand. Try to message.
Sir, one doubt, sir, like quantity is not a foreign key or it is a normal.
No, why quantity? What is the foreign key? What is foreign key?
Order ID, product ID.
Foreign key means a primary key of another table, na? Is quantity a primary key? No, right? How can quantity be a foreign key? Only in this table, order ID and product ID are foreign key. In this table, customer ID is your foreign key. In this table, product ID and the customer ID are foreign key. In this table, category ID is your foreign key.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Sorry, Ashish, you joined late. Today you joined or what?
Yeah, sir, I joined today,
Yeah, yeah.
sir.
So just go through all the recording, then your foreign key concept will get clear. Okay.
Okay.
Clear all? Yeah, again, wish list also we can have. Like in Amazon or Flipkart, you don't want to order, but you want to keep that in your wish list. So wish list will be there. So let's say after customer wish list. So what things we can have? Let's say wish list ID, your primary key. Then what product you want to add to the wish list? That's it. Only 2 things will be there: wish list ID and the product ID.
Their favorite is also there.
Yeah, favorite or wish list, whatever you call it.
Okay, sir.
Sir, payment also.
Yeah, again, so many things will be there. But just to complete the basic flow, these are the tables. Again, payment, shipping related, address can be stored in different table because for one customer you will have multiple addresses, right? In Amazon or Flipkart, you might have added multiple address, one your hometown, one your office, one your another location, right?
Yes,
So
yes.
address ID, then this address is of which customer? So customer ID, address, title, home, office, you name something, then city, pin code, something like this. Then in order, you will have address ID. So instead of this delivery address, you can have address ID. Getting it? Like this. So when you talk about e-commerce application, it can go to a very deep or very exponential level. But according to the business, we need to restrict the number of tables what you need because e-commerce is very huge, very okay. Understood? Now, third scenario, or any basic one. Yeah, someone was taking something. inventory one. Okay, so we will create an inventory DB. What is inventory?
Storage place.
Storage places, right? Where else we use inventory? Where do we use that inventory or stock keeping, stock management, right?
In
So many
manufacturing or e-commerce.
manufacturing businesses, so many places wherever there is a something manufacturing or some product are there, right? We need inventory application. Okay. Now, coming back to this business owner only. So this is part of a e-commerce application, but he might need a back office where he needs to maintain the stock also. Okay. Now consider category and the product ID table are already there. These only we will use for, or let's not complicate it. Another business I will explain. So let's say you have an electronic shop. Okay. You have a business of electronic shop. Okay. Now that electronic shop business needs a stock management application. Okay. Now tell me how many modules can be there in stock management application? Not, we are not setting the table for now. Modules. How many modules will be there in your e-commerce, stock management application? Either you call it as a stock management or inventory. How many models we can have?
Product list or
Product. Let's go with the table. Okay. Now, when you talk about stock management, what happens in the electronic shop? Day-to-day activity. What happens in electronic shop? What happens in electronic shop? How they operate?
They will check how many items are there and sell.
Now, think from the, consider you have an electronic shop. From the day begins, what happens? You open
so
a shop,
they will
a customer will come in, he will check the product, right? And you sell it. This is the flow, correct?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So considering you need to create an application which will be able to manage this whole flow. You have products, customer will come, customer will buy something, right? And you sell it. But those products, from where they came?
Suppliers.
Suppliers, right? So when you talk about stock management application, first, like electronic shop, so it might sell mobile also, laptop also, anything it might sell. So we need category table, right? So inside this we will store your different categories, category ID, category name, like mobile, laptop, whatever not, right? All the electronic application categories will be broader. Then after category we will have products. Okay. Before products, do we need one more table? Can we directly create product? Let's say we created mobile. So can we directly create mobile product, or do we need one more table?
We need actually mobile, like we have different brands of mobile.
Right?
So
Brands. Every electronic item will belong to a particular brand. So that brand table or company, whatever you call it, brand table. So here you will have brand ID and brand name. Got it? Now in product, you are adding a product. So product ID, this product belong to which category? Is it a mobile or a laptop? Category ID. Then this product is of which brand? Brand ID. Because Samsung produced the mobile also, TV also, headphone, everything, right? So one brand can create multiple categories product. Understood? So in product table, category ID and the brand ID will be a foreign key. Then prod name, some price, description, something will be there. Okay, basic, blah blah product details. So these are the three tables. What next? So you got product. After that,
SKU product.
Sales.
You just created category, you created brand, and you created product. Are you manufacturing
Units.
the product?
Units.
From where product came?
Supplier.
Supplier, na? So when you order something from supplier, what that process is called?
Purchase.
Purchase. Okay. So in purchase table, you are going to order products to sell in your shop. Let's say you have a Samsung dealer. So you will place your order over there. That is a purchase. Okay. So before purchase, you need supplier table, because in purchase, you need a supplier ID. If this purchase is from which supplier? So supplier table. So here supplier ID, name, some name, GST and everything. Okay. Then you will have purchase table. So here, just like how you sell it to the customer, na, just like you are also purchasing from the supplier. Okay. So what detail? Purchase ID,
Purchase.
purchase date, invoice. When the supplier gives you all the detail, the products you have ordered, they give you an invoice. So invoice number, right? Total amount. At the bottom you will have amount, right? Now, where do we store the product? Because when you order particular something, let's say you want to order Samsung TV. So do you order only one? Do you order single product from supplier? And will it be
We
right?
order in bulk.
You order in bulk, na? So your transport cost will also manage. So again, for one purchase, you will have multiple products. So you need one more dependent table. So purchase
Item.
items. What items you are adding, you are ordering from this purchase. Okay. So again, you will have purchase item ID. This will be your primary key. Purchase ID. This purchase ID of which purchase?
Product
Then
ID.
product ID.
Quantity.
Then quantity. Right? What rate you have got? When you purchase from the supplier, you get some particular rate. Then you add your own amount. That is your benefit, right? How you will calculate the nafa and tota, right? If you know ki, yeah, you purchased Samsung TV with 12,000 and you sold it with 13,000. So that 1,000 is your profit, na? So you need to track everything. Let's say you created an application, then that business owner asks you that how do I get to see the profit or loss? So if while doing the purchase, while the product is coming into the shop, if you don't record your rate, by what rate you got that item, so how you will calculate the profit, right? So everything you need to capture, even if single details also comes very useful when it comes to reporting. Okay. So purchase item. With this, product came into your shop. What next?
Purchase orders.
Sale.
Purchase orders.
Purchase orders.
Orders.
What you will store over there? This is the same, na? Purchase order. Both are table. We are storing the purchase detail only, right? What next? You got products in your shop now. Okay. What next?
We have to update our inventory.
Inventory, right? So you need one more table where you will manage the stock. Okay. So you will need stock table. So here, this is the actual table where you will maintain the stock. Okay. For one particular product, there should be only one stock at a time. Or do we have multiple stock? One only, na? Right? Let's say if we have a Samsung TV for a particular product, let's say Bravia something, you will have 2 or 3. Okay. So here, this is the table where you maintain the actual stock of every product. Okay. So here, stock ID, product ID. Okay.
Category ID.
Category ID.
Why you will need category ID? What is the use of foreign key again? In product table, you already store the category ID, right?
Right.
So again, if you are storing the same data in repeated table, then why you need the category table also? Everywhere you have, wherever you need category table, you will store the category name directly, right? Getting it? Okay, foreign key, the concept of foreign key. So you don't have to repeat the data in every table. So here you have set the product ID. In product table, you have already stored the category ID. So you don't need to store the category ID again. By using the relation, you can get the category name. Okay, getting it? Those who said category ID. Understood why we don't need to store category ID again?
Yes.
Okay. So stock ID, product ID. What else?
SKU.
Hmm?
SKU or UPC.
No, not that. It's a stock table. We have stock ID, which is primary key, product ID. What else? Quantity,
Basically,
Available quantity.
available quantity. Na? What quantity is there currently for this product? Understood? Then sometimes we add created date and last update date. What are the use case of these two columns? Created date and updated date. What is the use case of these two columns? Why do we need
We
it?
know the history of the
To
when the
understand
stock was
when you create the product, when you make the purchase of the product for the first time, then only you will add this date. When the product was created, and last time whenever you do sale, this date will update. Keep on. This will update only for the first time when you create when you enter the stock first time, and whenever you make the sale, so this will keep on updating. Okay. So if you have to track this product, what was the last stock change? So by using this date, you will be able to understand. Then by using this date, you will find the sale. Yeah, on this date, this product was sold to someone. So you will get the last sale done for that particular product. Understood? So this is the main table where you will have your stock present. This thing. Okay. So whenever you do the purchase, now tell me, do we have multiple record in this table for same product ID?
no.
Only one entry will be there for one particular product. Whenever you purchase, you incremented this. Whenever you sell, you decrement this. Clear? So for one product, there will be only one entry in your stock table. When you do the purchase, your stock will increase. When you sell it, stock will decrease. Clear? Now you got the stock. What next?
Sale.
Right? Before sale, what you need?
Customer details.
Customer again, right? You need to store the separate data entity wise, na? You won't store the customer data into sale table. Why you will do that? You store it in a different table. So cust ID, name, mobile, remaining things will be there. Then you need sale table. Okay. Now in sale table, what things will be there? Sale ID, your primary key. Sale date, your foreign key. Sorry, date. Who is the customer? So customer ID.
Product ID.
Product ID.
Again, do you order only one product? Do you buy only one product when you visit the shop?
Multiple
Arjun?
maybe.
You will buy multiple, na? You can buy multiple, right? Yeah, you can buy single also, but you can buy multiple also, na? See, this is also e-commerce application only. What happens over here when you order, you have multiple products, right? Just like that. When you visit a particular shop, sometimes you might purchase multiple items, na? So if you have only single table, you cannot store that. You need a different table where you will store in this sale, these are the products what customer has bought. Got it? So here you will have total amount and here sale items. Here you will have sale item ID, primary key, product ID, or before that sale ID. If this item belongs to which sale, and product ID. What product and quantity, how many quantity. Understood? When you need to store the data in different table, if it is single, yeah. Let's say you want to create a very straightforward application that one customer can only order one product. Yeah, so then you can store the product ID over here. So if customer has ordered two products, so you will create two sales. Does it make sense? So there should be a way that, yeah, one customer, one sale, but in that sale, customer is ordering multiple products. So you need a separate table over here. Okay. So when you save the sale, again, particular product ID you have to minus with this quantity. When you do the purchase, particular available quantity you have to plus by this quantity. Understood? This will complete your stock management. When the data come, when the products came from to your supplier, your stock will increase. When you sell them, your stock will decrease. So if the whole application you have created, as a business owner, he can see what is the stock. What, let's say he want to make a purchase. Let's say supplier man came and he want to purchase. He want to put the order. What products you need. He will go to the stock table, stock page, and he will get to see, yeah, this product has low quantity, this product has low quantity. That item he will order. But let's say if you don't have any application like this, you have to manually calculate everything, which product doesn't have quantity. So you are making, whenever you create any application, you are solving some problem. So this is that problems you are solving. You are reducing that man's effort. Every time, whenever he has to give an order to the customer, order to the supplier, he just visit to a particular page where you show all the stock and he get to know how many items he need to refill or reorder. Okay. Understood? So whenever a project is there, whenever a business solution is there, problem is there, how do you solve it? So many things. Again, this is very basic flow we are completing. So many things can be there over. Purchase return. Let's say one product you purchase, but that came defective, so you need purchase return also. Some just like that, sale return also can be there. Let's say customer has bought the TV, but let's say that TV is not working, so you have to take it back, right? So sale return will be also there. So it's not a simple application, so it's a very vast application. Okay.
Hello, sir.
This
In purchase table, do we need to add a supply ID as a foreign key?
Yeah, correct. I forgot that. So this supply table we created, but nowhere we use it. So this purchase is from which supplier we are ordering this purchase. So supplier ID is needed over here. Good catch, Madhu. Okay. Understood. So 3 businesses we have discussed. Okay. Now try to create the tables of these. Last session we have asked ChatGPT and Cloud